Picture this. You're in a kitchen bathed in warm, inviting light. The air is thick with the aroma of simmering spices. A pot sits bubbling on the stove, filling the room with the promise of a delicious meal. And there, nestled amongst the vibrant herbs and spices, is a humble bay leaf. Often overlooked but always essential, the bay leaf is the unsung hero of the spice rack, quietly adding depth and complexity to our favorite dishes. We're about to dive into the wonderful world of bay leaves. Get ready to discover why this little leaf deserves a standing ovation in the culinary world. Let's be honest, when was the last time you gave a second thought to the bay leaf in your pantry? It's probably been a while. Most of us know it as the ingredient we toss into soups and stews without much thought. But trust me, there's more to this unassuming leaf than meets the eye. Get ready to unlock the secrets of this culinary chameleon. The story of the bay leaf begins centuries ago, steeped in history and mythology. These fragrant leaves hail from the laurel tree, a symbol of victory and accomplishment in ancient Greece and Rome. Think Olympic wreaths and triumphant emperors. But beyond the symbolism, bay leaves have long been prized for their unique flavor. Fast forward to today, and the bay leaf remains a staple in kitchens across the globe. From Italian tomato sauces to Indian curries and Caribbean jerk chicken, its versatility shines through. It adds a subtle, earthy note that elevates the other flavors in a dish. But remember, while bay leaves enhance our culinary creations, they're not meant to be eaten directly. Their rigid texture won't win any fans. We'll delve into that a bit later. Hold on to your hats, folks, because bay leaves aren't just culinary superstars. They've also got some impressive health credentials. For centuries, these leaves have been used in traditional medicine to treat a range of ailments. And while modern science is still catching up, there's growing evidence to support some of these age-old remedies. One of the most well-known benefits of bay leaves is their ability to soothe digestive woes, feeling bloated after a big meal. A cup of bay leaf tea might be just the ticket. These powerful leaves are also packed with antioxidants, those little warriors that help protect our bodies from damage. And there's more. Bay leaves have anti-inflammatory properties that might help ease pain and swelling. Grandma's remedy of applying a bay leaf poultice to a sore muscle. It might not be so far-fetched after all. Section 4. A word of caution. Bay leaves aren't for nibbling. Now, before you go munching on handfuls of bay leaves, let's get one thing straight. While they're safe to use in cooking, you should never eat them directly. Remember that rigid texture we talked about? It's not just unpleasant, it can actually pose a choking hazard. So always remove bay leaves from your dishes before serving. Think of them as the culinary equivalent of a tea bag. They infuse the flavor, but aren't meant to be consumed whole. And while we're on the topic of caution, it's important to remember that bay leaves are not a substitute for medical advice. While they have a long history of use in traditional medicine, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before using them for medicinal purposes. They can help determine the appropriate dosage and ensure it won't interact with any medications you're currently taking. Safety first, folks. Section 5. More than just a pretty leaf. As we've discovered, bay leaves are so much more than just a culinary ingredient. They're a fragrant reminder of ancient traditions, a source of potential health benefits, and even a symbol of victory and accomplishment. But their story doesn't end there. These versatile leaves have also found their way into the world of aromatherapy. their soothing scent said to promote relaxation and ease stress. Imagine sinking into a warm bath infused with the calming aroma of bay leaves after a long day. Pure bliss. So the next time you spot a humble bay leaf in your spice rack, take a moment to appreciate its multifaceted nature. Don't be afraid to experiment with its unique flavor in your cooking. Explore its potential health benefits, or simply enjoy its calming aroma. The world of bay leaves is ripe for discovery. Thanks for joining me on this bay leaf journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more herb wisdom. Have you used bay leaves in a unique way? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, happy cooking and herbing.